An early bird gets the prey is kind of an overlooked expression, I would say, because we don't think too much about it, at least I never did. But to be an early bird, we need to get enough sleep, and for this, getting to bed and catching a quality sleep rather than tossing and turning in the bed is very crucial. I'll be sharing with you some hacks that will help you to get to sleep in no time, including the sleep cocktail, and if nothing works, the Navy technique that has been proven to help you fall asleep in under 2 minutes. Tip number 1. The sleep environment. Researchers done have proven that sleeping between a temperature of 62°F to 70°F gives a good quality sleep. Now this is between 16°C to 21°C. Shocking, right? As we have discussed in a previous video, melatonin is one of the most important hormones to control our circadian rhythm or the biological clock. In the absence of sunlight, melatonin level increases in our body and this signals our brain to go to sleep. So being exposed to good amount of sunlight in the day and then having a dim light or no light at all at night helps regulate the levels of melatonin, thus allowing us to fall asleep faster. In fact, studies have shown that getting more light during day than night reduces the time taken to fall asleep by 83%. Tip number 2. Preparing yourself. Some people could get to bed and sleep like a log, but others, how much ever tired they are not able to sleep. Not only the environment, but we could do some things that will allow our body to relax and fall fast asleep. Taking a warm bath about 2 hours before getting to bed is said to be really soothing and relaxing for the body. Similarly, a relaxed mind is a necessity to have a relaxed body, and for this, thinking about all those problems and tasks that you have to accomplish for the next day is not helpful. Instead, try journaling your thoughts. You could write down the problems that are bothering you and come up with a solution yourself. Need not have to worry if you're going to do it or not. Similarly, another weird hack is putting on socks and gloves. This has been proven effective in the sense that making your feet and hands warm will cause the blood vessels there to dilate, and this sends strong signals to the brain saying that it's time to get to sleep. Tip number 3. Snacking. I'm a person who loves midnight snacks. Now rather than going for greasy foods, try having cherries, which has natural melatonin in it, or have eggs, white rice, whole grain, yogurt, etc. These have all been proven to give good quality sleep when taken about 4 hours prior to sleep. Tip number 4. Beverages. Having non-caffeinated tea with honey in it helps tremendously. Honey contains sleep-inducing amino acid tryptophan, which has been proven to be a natural remedy even in people with insomnia. Now I said non-caffeinated because as you all know, caffeine will keep you awake. But what you might not know is the theory behind it. Our body contains adenosine, which when bound with its receptor, makes the neural activity slow down, and this makes us sleepy. Caffeine, on the other hand, can block the adenosine receptors, preventing the action of adenosine. And it has a half-life of about 6 to 8 hours, meaning after 6 to 8 hours, the amount of caffeine in our system reduces to just half, and this means the other half is still there. And so, it is recommended to have the last dose of caffeine at least 10 hours prior to sleep, which otherwise can reduce the total sleep time by 1 hour. Tip number 5. The sleep cocktail. This was described by the renowned author Tim Ferriss. The sleep cocktail is basically where you add 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of honey to hot water. Now these are said to be natural remedies for insomnia. Tip number 6. Stretching and exercising. Stretching before sleep allows our muscles to relax. Similarly, daily exercising in the morning or afternoon will make you tired, and according to research, this has been proven to increase daily sleep by 45 minutes. But make sure that you exercise at least 4 hours prior to sleep. If done too late, exercising can increase the adrenaline levels in your body, and this can keep you awake. Tip number 7. No screens in bed. This should have been one of the first tips, but it's a known fact about the blue light from electronics, which suppresses the melatonin levels in the body, and we are not able to fall asleep. Rather, try boring yourself with reading. Now, this will make your eyes feel tired, causing you to fall asleep faster. In fact, it's said that just by rolling your eyes for some time will make them tired, and we tend to fall asleep. Tip number 8. The Navy technique. Now, even if none of this works for you, there is this technique that the Navy people use that has been proven to help you fall asleep in 2 minutes. But the studies they have done are not yet public. Still, they claim that research was done among the fighter pilots and that it helped 96% of the pilots to fall asleep in under 2 minutes. The basic technique is to systematically relax your body. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes and now focus on your face. Then picture every muscle on your face relaxing. Breathe out as you feel your cheeks, tongue, mouth and jaw relaxing, and even eyes sinking into the socket. Now tighten and relax your shoulders. And then come down slowly, tensing and relaxing your arms, your forearms, hands, fingers, chest, legs and feet. Now clear your mind by focusing on your breath and visualizing your happy place. As soon as you start doing this, you'll probably notice that your mind gets filled with thoughts, and in that case, just let them pass. And even better, just repeat to yourself, don't think, don't think, don't think for some time. This technique might not help you the first time you try it, but practice makes a man perfect, and in 1 week or 2, this will help you relax and fall asleep in under 2 minutes. So I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please give this a thumbs up, and for more contents on productivity and lifestyle, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye guys.